Hi everyone and welcome to this video. We're going to look at building the Airfix Bismarck 1600. It's not a great model, but it's about the only option you've got in this scale. So we'll look at some of the problems with this kit and how to rectify them. The first thing you're going to need is a really good reference book or set of drawings scaled to 1/600 to indicate the corrections required. You need to lower the top edge of the hull all around by about 3.5 millimeters. A new deck has to be created to give you the correct bow and stern shape and the right positions for the turret barbettes. The recesses above the armour belt also have to be extended further fore and aft than they are on the actual model. Also, don't forget to move the anchor recesses from the original deck to the main deck. New walls need to be created for the superstructure first level, and the rudders need to be reduced in size. Refer to your references for adding extra detail, and I highly recommend that you replace all the AA mounts. Two of the secondary turrets are also different to the rest and need to be modified accordingly. The aft superstructure needs to be shortened, and no boats should be sitting directly on the decks. They should all be supported above the decks. The bridge and bridge wings need to be extended because they're far too small. This is a fairly rough job that I've done here, but if you use 3D parts, photo etch, and take a lot more time, you can really turn out quite a good model. It is a lot of work, but you will get a reasonable result. What we've really done here is we just restored the proportions and elegance of the original ship, which was a little bit lacking in the Airfix kit out of the box. So if you follow these steps, as I say, you should end up with a reasonable result.